Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. Today is a collab with Sierra from Just Being Sierra, Wanda from the Amachi tribe, and also with Camille from Camille's Essence. So we're gonna go ahead and have fun and get this tidy up, this a teenager's room. Okay, yes, that's what we're doing today, tightening up. And it will be a really quick video. I hope y'all really enjoy all this cleaning motivation and inspiration. And if you are able to, please go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Go ahead and click that thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to also comment below who you are and where you are in the world. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. Oh no. For possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah, yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video of me tidying up the teenager's room. Don't forget to go over to the playlist in the description box below, and don't forget to show my friends and my sisters some love, okay? If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to click this thumbs up for if you like this video. And as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Y'all be blessed, and we will see you on the tube.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know.